Hey race fans! Today we're going to be talking about Daytona 1's Fender Flare, an exciting new product that anyone can use to make your vehicle look new again. It goes on easy, doesn't streak, and it doesn't hurt your paint.
It's that easy. Just point and spray.
In this video, we're going to be showing you some before and afters to prove just how easy Fender Flare is to use. You point, you spray, and you walk away. It's that easy. Daytona 1's Fender Flare can be used on moldings, ATV plastics. It's just your all-in-one restorer. Used on vinyl, body moldings, engine compartments, air conditioner ducts, plastic interior, and all of your exterior surfaces. Now, just sit back and watch as this young lady works her magic, bringing her Jeep back to life again with ease. It's that easy. Using Daytona 1's Fender Flare really is just that easy. And wait, there's more. Now you get to hear from Fender Flare himself.
Hi, my name is Fender Flare, Plastic and Vinyl Restorer, but my friends call me Restoration Man, because I magically make old or faded plastic, vinyl, or rubber parts look like new again. No streaking or messy rags to deal with. I'm so easy to use, just point and spray, and walk away. It's that easy. Pick me up, spray me on, and see the magic. You want to know where to find me? Just go to www.daytona1.com and look at our professional line of car care products, where it's our job to make your job easier.
Thanks for watching, and follow along on all of Daytona 1's social media handles for more. Join the winner's circle and run with the best.